Sir, can I?
Me?
Himanshu.
Please.
Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is a terrestrial planet because it has a solid. Sir, you.
Yes. Just a
It
moment.
has a solid.
So sorry. Please, dear.
Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is a terrestrial
Who is
planet
doing this?
because it has
सर नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है उसका.
Anyone else?
Sir,
what do you want to be
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Sir Krishna.
सर रौनक.
So Rankin also.
Ronak? Arshdeep?
Sir Krishna.
Jai Krishna, read out.
Venus is the second planet from
Louder.
the sun. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is terrestrial planet because it has a solid, rocky surface like other planets in the inner solar system. Astronomers have known Venus for thousands of years. The ancient Romans named it after their goddess Venus. Venus is the brightest thing in the night sky except for the moon. It is sometimes called the morning star
Who
or
is
the
doing this
evening star
nonsense?
as at some allocations it is easily seen just before the sun comes up in the morning, and at other allocations just after the sun goes down in the evening. Venus comes closer to the earth than any other planet does.
Okay, so write down the question. Why Venus is called morning or evening star?
Written.
I hope you are clear with this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Joban?
Sir, by mistake, sir, I have raised my hand. Sir, by mistake.
Sorry?
Sir, by mistake, I have raised my
Okay, okay,
hand,
okay.
sir. My
It's okay. Done?
Yes,
yes,
Noted?
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's move to other one. And the other one is
Earth.
Earth. So here is here. Samriddhi,
Yes, sir.
please read out.
Earth is the spheric planet. We live on it. It is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet known for life on it. Earth forms around 4.5 billion years ago. It is one of four rocky planets on the inside of solar system. The other three, Mercury, Venus, and Mars. The large mass of the Sun makes Earth move around just as the mass of Earth makes the Moon move around it. Earth also turns around in space so that different parts of face the different parts face the sun at different times. Earth goes around the sun once.
She's not audible.
Yes. Himanshu, you read out.
Sir, from starting.
From Earth. Yeah. From the very first word.
Earth goes around the sun one year for every 365
From the starting.
times.
Here, please, from the starting. Earth is spherical.
Earth is spherical planet. We live on it. It is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet. Earth formed around 4.5 billion years ago. It is one of the four rocky planets on the inside of the solar system. The other three are Mercury, Venus, and Mars. The large mass of the sun makes Earth move around it, just as the mass of the Earth makes the moon move around it. Earth also turns around in space so that different parts face sun at different times. Earth goes around the sun once 1 year for every 365 times it turns all the way around one day. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has a large amount of liquid water. About 71% of the surface of the earth is covered by oceans. Because of this, people sometimes call it blue planet. Because of its water, earth is home to millions of species of plants and animals. The things that live on earth have changed its surface greatly. For example, earth cyanobacteria changed the air and gave it oxygen. The living part of the Earth's surface is called the biosphere. So done.
Samriddhi, please discuss. Okay, dear. So we just go through the profile of Earth. Let's make a question on Earth. You have 5 minutes. Just read out this slide again and drop your valuable question in our chat box. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it
Definitely,
possible
sir.
for you all?
Yes, sir.
Just read out this paragraph and try to form new questions based on this paragraph. You have
Sir, I
5.
wanted to ask you something.
Sorry.
I had a query.
Uh, Please write down in chat box. Your voice is not clear. You are not audible. So just form new question on the profile of Earth and we will try to solve it. You have 5 to 10 minutes for this. Just drop your questions. Who will read out? Jobanpreet Singh,
Yes, sir.
please read out.
Okay, sir. Mars is fourth planet from Sun in the solar system and the second smallest solid planet. Mars is rocky and cold with polar ice caps of frozen water and carbon dioxide. It has the largest volcano in the solar system and some very large impact cre- craters. Mars is named after the mythological Roman god of war because it is a red planet. The planet Mars is made of rock. The ground there is red because of iron oxide rust in the rock and dust. The planet atmosphere is very thin and contains a lot of carbon dioxide and a very tiny amount of oxygen. The temperatures on Mars are air to keep warm in. There is water, ice, and frozen carbon dioxide at the north and south poles. Mars does not have any liquid water on the surfaces surface now, but signs of runoff on the surface were probably caused by water oh, solar of blood.
Color of blood. Anyone else? Chandanpreet, will you please read out?
Yes, sir.
Please read out. But
So the same paragraph.
yes.
Okay. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun in the solar system and the second smallest solid planet. Mars is rocky and cold with polar ice caps of frozen water and carbon dioxide. It has the largest volcano in the solar system and some very large impact craters. Mars is named after the mythological Roman god of war because it is a red planet. The planet Mars is made of rock. The ground there is red because of iron oxide rust in the rock and dust. The planet's atmosphere is very thin and contains a lot of carbon dioxide and a very thin amount of oxygen. The temperatures on Mars are colder than on Earth because it is farther away from the sun and has less air to keep warm in. There is water, ice, and frozen carbon dioxide at the north and south poles. Mars does not have any liquid water on the surface now, but signs of runoff on the surface were probably caused by water. Color of blood.
So, dear, just try to make some question on Mars. My only motive is to just nourish your creativity so that In future, if you read any paragraph or any of the concept, you can deduct the question that can form on that concept. So try to form question on this slide, that is Mars. So this is all about today's class. If there is any doubt, please discuss.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Everything is
No doubt, sir.
everything is clear.
Everything fully clear.
The meaning of impact creator?
But still, if you have any doubt, please discuss. Yes, dear?
The meaning of impact crater?
You are not audible. Please write down.
Number of days in the year depend on the distance between the planet and the sun. Excuse me, sir.
Dear, please write down in chat box. Dear, please find out the file attached. You got it?
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, have you sent it on portal?
Just revise by using this file, nothing else.
So you have sent it on portal?
In chat box, it's there in chat box.
No, sir.
Got it
Sir,
or not?
time over होने
Sir,
वाला
no
है.
file in chat box.
There is no file is there on chat box.
I found that file in
Can you send it again?
e-learning.
I'm trying. Just a moment. Just a second.
Rajneesh, it's in e-learning.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Just a moment, dear. Let me send you file first. You got it now?
Yes, sir.